more days. When you do get a grade returned, you do not have to return that back to us unless you got a 0. I know most of you are pretty good about that, but we do have some people still returning assignments back to us that they already got 10s or 20s on, and we do not need those back. That is just us telling you what your grade is. We have to send those to you so that it shows that we graded it on our end. So if you do get one of those notifications, unless you are making up a 0 or you are fixing answers to get more points, you do not have to send anything back to us. Current event number 2, you guys did a great job with current event number 1. Current event number 2 is going to be due next Monday night at 11:59. So you've got about 4 more days to work on that. Late work in general, if you owe us work, make sure you're getting that in. Most athletic teams are going to start doing grade checks, so we need to make sure that we are getting assignments turned in so everybody is eligible to play sports and be part of activities as they start to come back. So we got to keep our grades up, make sure we don't have any 0s. If you have any problems with assignments, you can always email us, always comment on those assignments. If need be, we can figure out a time to set up a Google chat so that we can get some office hours in and figure out what we can do to help. But just make sure you are getting your late work turned in. So today, we talked about a little intro to religion. I am excited to see your word association warm-ups. I like to see what you know about these different religions, and hopefully we learn a lot more over the next week or so. This assignment today, talking about Judaism, talking about its core beliefs, how it started, things of that nature. We are going to do worksheets just like this, exactly like this, for the other 4 major religions. So, with that being said, if you are having problems with the timeline, you're having problems defining things, you're having problems answering those questions at the beginning, now is the time to do it, because you will have until Sunday to complete this worksheet. But then after that, every day next week, Tuesday through Friday, we're going to do one of these worksheets for each of the other 4 major religions we have not talked about. So it is imperative that you know how to complete one of these worksheets successfully, and we will help you with that. Does anybody have any questions on anything I just covered? Does anybody feel like they don't understand what they need to do? All right, if there are no questions, you are welcome to go. Have a good weekend. I will see you next week. Get this turned in by Sunday night. I will send a reminder into Google Classroom, and we will see you next week.